battlefield, Roxor by Mahindra is ready for any challenge. It's strong, a heavy-duty vehicle with military-grade construction, with a boxed steel frame and steel body, designed to outlast time and terrain. Under the hood is a real power plant, a dependable 4-cylinder turbo diesel with enough power and torque to get you anywhere you need to go and finish every job you need to finish. Roxor is an original off-road vehicle driven by over 70 years of tradition, inspired by the iconic vehicle that took on the world and won, with a trusted 4x4 platform that's been conquering terrain ever since. Roxor's durability comes from keeping it simple, choosing analog over digital, tried and true engineering you can push to the limits. It's a workhorse that achieves greatness without gimmicks. Roxor is mission ready.